Do you like Turkish Delights? I love Turkish Delights. In my hand is another variety from Cerez. These are additional Turkish Delights. These are the creamy roll mixed fruit ones. I'm very excited about these. This is not one of those videos where I've stole these from Nicole. Nicole is not that creamy person fan, so I have these with full disclosure from her, and I am very excited to check them out because I have absolutely loved all of the Turkish Delights they have sent us. So let's see what they look like. Oh, they got a little bit of coconut on them. How cool is that? Let me see if I could show you these. Does that show up on the camera without spilling them? Oh, they smell so good. Now, as with the other ones we have tested, these are gluten-free, vegan, and so far we've gone 2 out of 3 with absolutely awesome tasting. Let's see if we go 3 out of 3. I'm gonna pick one of these right here from the middle. It looks to me like I'm gonna make a complete mess with this, but I'm gonna sacrifice that for you guys. Very chewy. I love the coconut covering on it, and I am a big fan of the cream in the middle. I don't know what they make it out of it. Nikki looks at it and she thinks marshmallow. It's clearly not marshmallow, but she's not a marshmallow texture fan, but I am, so I'm really enjoying these. Another thing I would say that I really like about this, each of these, you can already see I'm 2 bites in, and I still got another nice solid bite to go, and they're 100 calories each, which is a great snack size, and they're absolutely delicious. As I said, these are absolutely delicious. You cannot go wrong with these. I will say, as a personal thing, for me, I would definitely go with the fruit leather or the traditional Turkish Delights. Those are way up here for me. These are absolutely delicious, but I put them in 3rd place compared to the other 2. If you personally have had these and love these are spot on. They're delicious. You're gonna really enjoy them. I think they're definitely worth a try. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.